In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a date field in Adobe Acrobat. If you're working with a PDF form and want people to be able to choose a date directly from a calendar, Adobe Acrobat makes that very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a date field to your document so it looks cleaner and is easier for anyone filling out the form. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to edit is already open on your screen. It's important to begin with the correct file since the date field will be added directly into that document. Once your PDF is open, go ahead and click on All Tools. This is where Acrobat keeps the main editing and form building features. If you don't use form tools often, this is the section that gives you access to them. From there, click on Prepare a Form. This option allows you to turn a regular PDF into an interactive form, which means you can add fillable fields like text boxes, checkboxes, and of course, date fields. Next, click on Create Form. Acrobat will switch into form editing mode, where you can place and manage fields inside your PDF. This workspace is designed to help you build a form layout that people can actually interact with. Now click on the date field option in the left-hand field panel. This tells Acrobat that the next field you place should be a date selector rather than a standard text field. This is especially useful because it helps keep date entries consistent and easier to read. After selecting the date field, click anywhere on your page where you want the field to appear. You can repeat this as many times as you need. So if your form needs multiple dates, such as a start date, end date, or signature date, you can place several date fields throughout the document. Once the field is in place, double-click it to give it a label. Think of this as the field's internal name. Giving it a clear label helps you stay organized, especially if your form includes more than one date field. Use a simple descriptive label so it's easy to identify later. When you're done editing, click out of the form editing area. At that point, you'll be able to test the field. Click the drop-down arrow in the date field, and a calendar should appear, allowing you to select a day directly from it. This is a great way to confirm that the field is working the way you want before sharing the PDF with others, and that's how to insert a date field in Adobe Acrobat.